Alright, we're on the front row of Spitfire at Six Flags Qiddiya.
Let's go!
I'm winning the race.
This ride is incredible, and the sun just set, so you got a little bit of nice glow to everything right now. Oh my god, this is just such a beautiful location. I love this park.
Exit your cockpit.
They have the exit audio on the launch track for some reason. It's so weird.
See you next time.
Oh my god! Whoa! Whoa! The tallest inversion in the world! So much hang time! Whoa! Oh, that is such a good ride. That is an elite launch coaster. That's so good.
Whoa.
Oh my god, that would be the best ride at a lot of parks, but it's just in the middle of the lineup at this park. Incredible. Spitfire's a beast, man.